Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma has expressed concern over the alleged discrepancies in the National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test or Neet conducted by the National Testing Agency in Jaintia Hills and Ribhoi district of Meghalaya, stating that he had a word with the chairman, National Testing Agency, in this regard. The Education Minister said that NTA has assured that they are assessing the ground situation and they are doing their inquiry on this.
Directly connected with the medical department, but however, this also as a government responsible, I also personally taking up them, and like the NT has also informed us that they're also assessing the ground situation, what will happen. They are doing their inquiry on this, so this is that, but we are taking up the matter.